Just like you, I spend time on YouTube looking for new ways, more effective ways, quicker, easier, faster ways to make money as an affiliate marketer. And a simple truth, the fact of the matter is, I love a good thumbnail and I love a good headline as a marketer myself. But many times when I find one of these videos, and I do find what I think might be a solid traffic strategy, or at least something that you could test, the video, as they go through the video and they show the strategy, while they show it at a high level, which I understand and I don't really have a problem with, sometimes it's the things that they do inside of the video that make me sort of stop and go, wait, what? What is the strategy and does it really make sense, especially for a beginner? In this video, Lazy Affiliate Marketing Tutorial for Beginners, earn $2,000 a week with push button notifications from Smart Money Tactics. It starts off with showing you an ad network with a question mark because this is going to be displayed or revealed later on in the video. And this ad network provides push notifications. Scroll through the video, he moves through and he talks about Digistore 24, as well as hitting up the ClickBank Marketplace to find a good product to promote using this push notifications strategy. The big reveal and how this works and the fact that you can reach 1 billion users with top performing ad formats, such as push notification, comes in around the 5-minute mark. And this is the ad network Propeller Ads, built for performance, grow revenue with performance-driven advertising. It's a platform for marketers and affiliates. You can simply click the sign up button. It takes you to the registration page to create your free account. You choose whether you're a publisher or an advertiser. In this case, you are an advertiser. You want to promote your product or a CPA offer or an affiliate offer. It brings up the page, sign up as an advertiser. You simply fill out the form with all the pertinent information they're asking for. And then, just like Smart Money Tactics showed you in their video, it links you to this unlisted video from Propeller Ads, which is the onboarding product webinar. And this is where they walk you through a campaign of how to set up push notifications using the pricing model of CPC or cost per click. And then here's where I start scratching my head. Here you can see in the video from Smart Money Tactics, the target URL. This is the direct link to a ClickBank product. This is an affiliate link. This would be the link that you would get, that you would paste in to your Propeller Ad setup. And just like Jovoya YouTube asked 6 days ago, so wait a sec, Alan, trying to spell Alan's name correctly, the YouTuber here from Smart Money Tactics, you mean that there's no need for a landing page, but just direct linking? There was no reply, just a couple spam messages. So we'll move on and we'll take a look at what this looks like. The push notification ad that you're going to create goes out and finds your target audience, the audience you're looking to click on your affiliate link, and it takes you over to your product sales page. This is what direct linking looks like. In this case, you are paying cost per click. So every time someone in your target audience sees the push notification ad, they'll click it. It'll click through your affiliate link. They'll land on the product sales page. Then if they click the buy now button, you'll earn a commission. But if they don't click the buy now button, you are off paying for more clicks from your push notification ad to repeat this process again. Meaning while you are direct linking, you are just paying for more clicks, and the cycle was repeated over and over as you keep paying for more push notification ads. Now I get why Propeller Ads would do this. Again, they're running push notifications. They're providing you a service. And I can understand why in their video, they would tell you to go ahead and just direct link. We're cool with that because again, you're paying a CPC. You are paying a price, cost per click. For every click, you give them money for more clicks. But why over at Smart Money Tactics would they tell you this is a lazy affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners and that you can earn $2,000 per week with push button notifications? Again, I understand his video at a high level is just showing you the network and how to set up push button notifications. But if you take the time and you go into ClickBank and you go under Find Products, and then you look either by rank, average conversion, initial conversion, recur billing, whatever you think the best sort by result is. For example, if we go by initial conversion, that means the initial time that it converts and you make a commission, and we go ahead and sort that by high to low, and you find a decent offer here and you want to drive traffic to that because you are compelled by the $802.36 that you see here with Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind. Wouldn't it be better than providing your target audience the opportunity to select and click a push button notification to go through your affiliate link to the product sales page and a one chance or your one chance of them pushing the buy now button before you have to pay Propeller Ads again for another push notification ad for another click. As a beginner, maybe not a lazy beginner, but as a beginner, as an affiliate marketer, don't you think it would be better to pay and get more out of your cost per click when your target audience clicks on this paid notification ad? Send them to an opt-in page, add them to your email list, your email autoresponder, and then have them go through your affiliate link over to the product sales page. And if they weren't to click the buy now button, or even if they were to click the buy now button, you have them on an email list. So now you built an email list. So then you can retarget or send additional offers or follow-up sequences to your target audience through an email list. Again, paying for that ad once, putting them on an email list where you can follow up with them for quote unquote free to drive them back to the product sales page. Back to the video over at Smart Money Tactics. I get it, I understand. Lazy affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Earn $2,000 a week with push notifications. To give you information how you can reach 1 billion users with top performing ad formats to include push button notifications and how to sign up, just like I showed you here. Awesome. I totally agree with that. It's something, if you have a product you believe in and you want to try to make money as an affiliate marketer, this is an option. This is an option that you can try, but understand, just like they have over at Volume, where they show you their all-in-one affiliate software that tracks, optimizes, and automates your advertising to track affiliate links using this software that's used by digital marketers around the globe. They specifically highlight here conversions, profit, and ROI, or return on investment, which means as a beginner, even as a lazy beginner, you need to build out something more like you see here. Pay for a click, have them opt into your email list, then redirect them to your affiliate link over to the product sales page. So you are building a resource. You are building something that you own, something that you're going to be able to get a better return for your investment of each click that you buy from Propeller Networks through the push notification ad into your opt-in page over to your email list to build out your email list to allow your target audience to be something that you own, a resource where you can redirect them back to the product sales page as many times as it takes them to convert or to get them to buy so you can earn a commission. So again, thanks Smart Money Tactics for the push notifications and the ad platform that's out there that we can try as affiliate marketers, especially as beginners. But I just wanted to dive a little deeper and provide some context here about why I made this video. And like I said, sometimes I pause when I watch these videos and I say to myself, wait, what? Does that make sense? And then I come here and with you, I dive a little deeper into this topic. Cool, now we walked through that strategy and you understand that I am all in with testing paid traffic. And if you pick a good product like the ones we looked at over at ClickBank and you verify that that product is something that you stand behind and something you believe in and something you want to promote and try to make money, and you want to do it with paid traffic and you have more money than time, or you want to balance out your time versus your money, then I would say go for it. But if you find yourself with more time than you have money and you're looking for a real way to start affiliate marketing, go ahead, click on this video that you see right here. Watch that. I look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.